Machita namakhotman yo ikhona into enzekayo bafethu ngibhethwe Premiership yo ngibonile Orlando Pirates Machita apha kule video bafethu zo explain ba why ngoku i-coach Orlando Pirates ne-team yakhe i-team ka-Abdeslam Wadu ne-team yakhe yabo i-level ekhumula Sundowns kaRolani ila level lena Machita this yabo i-Pirates bafethu ezinye team ziyakutya ezinye team they beat you ne but ezinye team jonga zikhupha emanzini sana Pirates i-teams yabo i-dominance if kusebubukele match Pirates bafethu ni Magesi ngixalele ba ikuse lawe ibone pha buko ibone Pirates idlala ngela hlobo na i-Pirates kudala siyibona musi idlala grand amachita sewine ne trophies ethu futhi this season asikisi ngophazamisa Machita cela singalibali usupport i-channel ushaye nje u-like okanye if eqala udibana ne-channel ungalahli ungaphosa ziwezi grand ushaye usubscribe sileqa u-20,000 subscribers bafethu anicele marandi bafethu ngicela nje usubscribe okanye u-like mojo bafethu bawine MTN 8 bathi Stellenbosch kanje like ungathi Stellenbosch 3-0 ki-final bawina ne-Carling knockout and bakhupha ne-Sundowns MTN 8 ki-semi-finals ungathi Sundowns over 2 matches bafethu Sundowns ungayitya ki-match e-1 but uyitye ki-2 matches i-semi-finals first leg ne-second leg this Pirates bafethu ibiyibonise equality nje ngelo hlobo ne and then ngoku indlela ibidlala ngayo izolo if ucafana iPirates wena bafethu ibi strong mara wayibona izolo akwabona inex bafethu leyana i-total dominance bafethu from the first whistle until the last whistle Pirates like powerful like defense midfield like front line ucoach Wadu uyawumva ba ikuse wathi bahama namachita siwine 2-0 but ikuse suppose by 5-0 or 6-0 lo 5-0 or 6-0 bafethu against i-team ibi defender deep i-Pirates ikuse phakla match bingena stories uba hayi ikuse deep block lena Magesi ivale igate apha iqobhile hayi i-Pirates ikuse bingena sikhathi salo way bafethu exalela base i-team ibe ne chances ezi-6 big chances ezi-6 against i-deep block if uvala Mofokeng nangu Ozwin if uvala Ozwin nangu Mbothuma and se Mbothuma ngoku if une striker bafethu isisebenza nzima siphinde score goals alibala sana ushalulile moslo nanithethile futhi wenjalo yazi ngoMbothuma befika Orlando Pirates uku-announce le signing yakhe bandathi le this is the new Shalulile uMbothuma inesa style C1 Shalulile cha yena uMbothuma the only difference is uyanga umjita and yena technically umnandi a bit more than Shalulile ayo footballer bafethu seyalo ekhaya simoko i-hard worker umjita lena inala work ethic what a signing inala work ethic ka Shalulile ngoMbothuma and then yakupressa jo ngathi hayi ni sign and then shine it technically umjita umnandi shine goals ngoku and then ebenchini uzongena uMakgopa shine it uzongena uLanduza uMasangwanya shine it nangu uyafika ngomsendami ngoku usoki kila weMarumo Gallants na ikusezoshine it yafika uLanduza Andre De Jong uzoshine it Orlando Pirates naxa thola chance i-competition i-Pirates who positions and uwadu uyakudropa sana noba ungibani akho umuntu ekuse uguaranteed ba semozodlala qopha Orlando Pirates uhlalisa ebenchini okanye kuse ungabikho kilawe ki-squad uma ulawe umbule kangabe khona ki-squad sale game Pirates kuse yabane best performance yayo kule season so far engekho umbule plus noMakgopa i-squad imeko nasebenchini amajita cina ke ngokuba ikuse umbule plus noMakgopa bazawureact kanjani ejimini namhlanje bazofaka umoya oshushu mosman bazofighter Abdeslam Wadu ebona lewenzekayo ngoku it's the meeting between a top coach with top players lo way awuyiboni izeka everywhere lo way. This is the same level that dominance Karolani, Sundowns Karolani bafethu, the best team we've ever seen. Pirates basoba bafethu. Easy hayi. Akho team ifuna ngane Pirates ngoba bafethu. Xa uzazi bakusethi umkhohlakele. Teams like uzitya ingaqali kwaqala imatch because it's la fear factor which is wenzeka ibhola ne reality la ibhola bafethu. Ngicifana kuyaxoka bafethu bakusejonga teams players oyikudlala nye team. Yeah, kuseyenzeka la ibhola bafethu. Yabo, because why players soyika, why teams soyika? It's because uzawukhosta abantu bangaloyo basijonga iPirates is an exposure, players iPirates is an exposure basijonga they lose starting ila way position yami okanye starting place yami eteamini okanye as a coach ngizawuluza ijob yami if ngisejonga ngale iPirates. You understand? And ezinye players nezinye teams under pressure for results most, and then ke nguthiwa ngale iPirates Tuesday Wednesday fear factor ikhona pha. And as a Pirates it's about the control the team kaward of it control the controller knows the controller the ball possession obviously the controller is space the controller the tempo ye match asani zizinja iPirates bafethu coach wadu naye plus ni players zakhe zizinja zasekasi bafethu zilala phandle izinja zasekasi bafethu. Next up for Orlando Pirates nizayibona bafethu Tuesday ngomso sidlala ngomso Orlando Pirates namaZulu. If we find a Pirates, if the Pirates etc ngazingxamile basijonga like Tuesday basijonga kafiki ngomso 7:30, that is a top team. Xa say ifans says Chiseka and obviously zothenga amatikiti eyaseDurban iPirates kuseyaka amaZulu eDurban Tuesday ngomso eDurban isela amatikiti azoflyer because surely zibuke zibonile mos iPirates Saturday amatikiti azoflyer ifans ngxamile azobezicinga kaninzi. AmaZulu yenza ixesha AmaZulu 5 games unbeaten kaZwane but abafethu AmaZulu yenza ixesha iPirates khohlakele manje ebona kuse even kwa defense zidlala ke high line eziya ulanduza kuse idefense ePirates yo high swim out lebone CM amachita leya idlala ngathi midfielder ngo ayibona sendlela ipasa ngaso lokho i-free under pressure I mean ingena pressure ba ifuba singaphake mfethu high top player mfethu lebone CM Hugo Bros and yazi bawujongile. And then Pirates new dangerous bafethu iPirates even kwa full backs Pirates right back Pirates ne left back Pirates amachita awakabikho kula level yabo ba okay ulebitso wakachisa uDino van Rooyen siyamazi van Rooyen akabi ngula van Rooyen simaziyo but Pirates nathi kuseyibulala abantu ngovuthela abantu khopha abantu emanzini kodwa kuse van Rooyen akafiki top level yakhe leya ngosikhona ndaba left back lehlalisa uHotto benchini wo la mjita akabikho top level yakhe bajonga ngoku nangu ndaba ulayitile ngoku plus nale van Rooyen akalight van Rooyen wayilayite ngoku emsanofika iPirates but then ubani injury but bekuselapi ngoPirates bayisejonga right back uVan Rooyen waphakama nale once yaphakama le when Dion Hotto wabuya yo bafethu Orlando Pirates isukile majita and ne fixtures banazo ngoku maZulu Tuesday then kuse Saturday badlala neChakuma iNedbank Cup sawubona isquad players ngona young players odlala kula match and then ke ngoku iPirates idlala neMaromo Gallants bebesekile Maromo Gallants nalapho ndibona iMaromo Gallants iPirates after iMaromo Gallants badlala nePolokwane City nayo Pirates besekile Polokwane City already and then ke ngoku iPirates zodlala neSundowns neKaizer Chiefs and lo way izanceda iPirates yabo iPirates kuse izodlala igame ezi2 izaba nerhythm ngezikhathi ba bazodlala neMaromo Gallants badlala nePolokwane kuba kuze ila way iSundowns kuba kuze iChiefs andifuna uthetha bakuzokwenzeka ntoni bafethu nini nizocingela ngokwenu kanye sasibonela ngokwenu bazokwenzeka ntoni kweza games. Orlando Pirates basob bafethu sukile yabo last time ngibone ngise team ekule level bafethu dominator ngelihlobo was iSundowns kaRulani benzanga sipensi ibone team enjeyana. Orlando Pirates basob bafethu sukile khona into enzeka iBetter Premiership bafethu ngene ngale balo support channel bafethu ushaye ulike kwenye subscribe icinga no bafethu niyibonile iPirates niyavumelana nami basincole comments moja bafethu.